Audio Jungle.
Hello guys. Welcome to WK Gadgets Mobile. Today we review ThinkPad T480 Business Edition laptop with original ThinkPad bag. Intel Core i5 8th generation, 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD, Intel UHD graphics. (14-inch) Full HD display. Backlight, keyboard. Limited offer. So guys, don't wait, buy now. For any inquiries, please don't hesitate to get in touch with us. We are here to assist you. Thank you for your viewership and continued support. Thanks for watching the video. Team WK Gadgets Mobile.